Hello, welcome to my Resident Evil character tier list. So today, I will be ranking these characters here. So let's begin. Also, by the way, if you're curious about the music, it will be in the link in the description. Well, the channel will be, not the music itself. Okay, first, let's go from the ones I don't know to the ones I do know. Alright. Whoa, yeah. Okay. Don't know who this is, but honestly, mid. This one, I don't know who that is. Mid. This one, mid. Okay, let's hear. I don't know who this one is. But this one right here. This one, you know what? This might be a little controversial. Oh wait. I don't know who this is, but yeah, they're mid. Okay. I don't know who this is. Oh, they're mid. Okay. Now let's move on to characters that I still don't know, however might be a little more familiar with. Let's see here. Zoe from Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. Honestly, kinda mid. Just being honest. Sherry Burton from Resident Evil 6. I'd go with this. I think it's pretty reasonable. I don't know who this is, but they seem kind of mid. Okay. Next up, don't know who this is, but probably go with that. Oh, screw it. I'll just leave that in. I have no clue who this is. They're mid. What's her name? Annette Birkin, I think. Honestly, kinda mid. Just being honest. Alright. Now let's move on a little. We got, I think that's Shiva, however you say her name. I'd probably go with that. But this one, I don't know actually. I'd probably go with that. Okay, is this even a Resident Evil character? Who is this? I've never seen this character in my life. Well, not that I've seen most of these, but who is this? I'll get on to that one later. Is this even a Resident Evil character? Who in the world is this? I'll probably go with that. This one? Yes, sir. I don't know who that is. Alright, let's see here. Now we moving along. Okay. Who this character is? You know what? What was that? Same with Ashley. And this one, since I don't know who they are. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You already know. Yes, sir. Alright. See here. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Honestly, mid. Kidding. Sir. Okay. Next, probably. Let's get these out of the way. They all look the same. But this one. Nah. I see they did not add the doll maker to this one. That's a shame, but I would put it in the highest tier. Just saying. Let's see here. So we got Mother Miranda, Lady Dimitrescu, Claire Redfield, and Ada Wong. Mother Miranda. What's your guys' opinion? Mid or any of the above? Me personally, I'm going with this. That's just me personally though. And you already know. This one, you already know. And this one, now this is a little controversial. But mid. Kidding again. Got you. But no. This is my Resident Evil character tier list. If you liked, please subscribe. Like the video. And that's it. Call me asparagus.